Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie Fried. On this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make feathers and fan. For everything I'll be needing my board, the letters, the most important of it all, my feathers. I'll be using 2 packs of white feathers. I'll be using this flower as my accessories. I also have another accessories here. I'll be using this piece of fabric to create some designs. I'll be using these goat trimmies. I'll be using these accessories. I'll be needing this into, and the most important, my glue gun, which is already plugged. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place, I'm loading my gun. First thing you do, place this dangling thing to the board. After placing it just like so, then you go ahead and add your glue gun. Do this repeatedly until you cover the entire handle. Thank you. You don't want the sharper? So this is what we got. So this is the base, this is the handle to our fan. So next up, we are going to lay this fabric for the design. Just trust the process. At the end of the video, you will see the turnout. Take the measure, then we cut. This one is for the front, and this one is for the back. So what we do, this one here. This is, so I'm going to come into it. After applying your gum, just come it. Join it here. This is the excess. Cut out the excess. So far, this is all we've gotten. So we're going to start laying the feathers now. When laying feathers, you need to use the back, not the front. See, if you lay the front, your fan is going to look so flat. If you want it fluffy and very full, you need to lay it backward. You see, I'm going to lay the back. See the back on, see how it's looking. So you lay the back. So you start by applying your gum to the board. Please be generous with the glue, okay, so it sticks very well. After applying the glue, then come up to feathers. Don't forget, apply the back and start laying it. As you are laying, you are pressing it down so that it can stick very well. This is what we have. Just continue with the back. I'm going to do the same for the back. Then apply. Make sure your ending is really neat. See what I did here? so I ended it here. This is the first line. See this joining? You can see there's a joining here. So I didn't just, as you can see, I didn't just start from I didn't just start immediately where it ended, so I had to lay it on top so that there won't be any space here. You understand? So I'm going to add a little glue here now, because I just stick it back. So to get a perfect fan, you need to do that. So for the second layer, starting here. So this is where we got second line. These are the remainder, so I'm just going to gold accessory. We're using it to cover these lines, so this line will not be visible anymore. I'm going to start off by doing some measuring. Okay. So this is the outcome. Cute, right? So next, this was just, I'm going to use this accessory to cover here. I'm going to use this for here. I'm going to put the other one here. It's because I already know that I'm using these flowers to cover here. That's why I left this part open. But maybe you do not have any of this, you can just extend this fabric to cover all the way through to this place. So I'm going to insert this here. I'm going to do the same to the other side. So next off, we are going to insert our name. So the story behind this hand fan is I'm actually attending a wedding by next month, so I'm just making this hand fan to complement my dress. So that's why I'm using my shop name for it, wedding wears. So just add gum, add the glue gently to the alphabet and stick it to the hand fan. Do this gently so you don't hurt yourself. This is what we have, guys. Wedding wears. So I'm going to add this accessory. I'm adding this and these beads to complement the beading. So I'm going to add this one. I'm going to add it here at the front to wedding. Just take a glue gun, apply it on the accessory. This is what we have, guys. So we're going to complement it with these beads, these crystal beads. Just going to place it in the handle. So I'm done adding the accessories to this side. Added these beads to them. This is what it's looking like right now. So I'm going to do the same to the other side. These are the beads. Just place them first before gumming them. have done.